Hello, welcome to Megaboost Digital Services, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a new account. For new users, I'm on Megaboost right now. You can either click on this sign up or login button or come onto the menu and click on sign up. Then you'll be redirected to this sign up page where you'll be asked to create an account, of which you are to provide your first name, your last name, your email, your WhatsApp number, then your password. Then you click to agree to receiving marketing emails and to our terms and policy. Make sure you read through. Then now let's proceed into that. Filling fill in your details, and for your WhatsApp, then input your password. Okay, then you do what? Once you've done all that, click on create new account. It will tell you welcome, you have signed up successfully. It then will be redirected to your dashboard, and here is your dashboard. You are now registered and signed into Megaboost. This is your dashboard on Megaboost. Thank you and see you in the next video.